What's up, everybody? I'm trying to do a little, review on this recent purchase. I usually get jerry cans of E85 at the E85 pump. That's 30 minutes away from my house. But had these on a good deal on Amazon. These are like 30 or 35 gallon little, I don't even know what they're called, caddies. I know people use them on their boats and stuff. I have no clue if it's gonna, I understand the physics of siphoning, right? So I don't know if this will actually put fuel in my tank because my nozzle is ending up higher than the caddy itself, but let's see. So I'm gonna open both nozzles. There's one on the hose side and one on the caddy side. I heard a little bubble or something. And I'm not gonna open the vent just yet. I forget. It's not easy to see if it's completely full. Maybe if I try to shine light through the back. Yeah, it's definitely not see-through. Anyway, let's try this first. This is in there. I'm gonna pull back the safety and try to get some E85 in the tank. Definitely not coming through. We need gravity to help us. Oh wait, here we go. I should have known that they put a little pump in here. Now we're going. I like this thing. Still get the same fumes as a jerry can, but I understand that if this was lower than the can, you would just pump it a couple times and it would start siphoning in. But this is not bad. This is awesome. You know, for a very initial test, I think this thing was only like, I think it was under $100, honestly. It's pretty awesome. We'll see how it holds up. It just has a clamp here. I did make sure to tighten the hose in very carefully, you know, and like I was conscious about making sure the O-ring was nice and flat. That's probably going to be the only questionable spot over time, but I think if you store this thing carefully, you'll be perfectly fine. But yeah, I'm just going to put a big sticker on it saying E85. And that's how I'm gonna boost the octane rating in my 92 pump gas to run my 93 tune. Same with the other cars.